Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create some fake horns using some polymorph plastic and painting it with some alcohol activated paints. Let's get into it. Alright, so for the polymorph plastic, how you get to mold it is you're going to take some boiling water and you can put it either in a cup or a bowl. You got to be really careful with this part because, you know, it is boiling water, so just watch out for your hands. And you're going to take the polymorph plastic in a spoon. I got this polymorph plastic from Eli Mac Cosmetics. I'll leave a link down in the description. And you're going to just gently lower it into the boiling water. And you're going to see that it goes clear once it's moldable, and you're going to take it out once it's all clear. So once that looks ready, you're going to take it out, and remember, be really careful with your hands because this is going to be very hot. You're just going to mold it with your hands until it's the desired shape. And it's alright if you make any mistakes during this part, since you can put the polymorph plastic back into the boiling water and use it again. Now once you've kind of got the shape you want, you're going to set it to the side so it can dry, and then you're going to do the same thing again for another horn. Another thing I did while I was forming these is I would take them and put them up to my head just to make sure that the bottom was also forming right. To make them harden faster, you can also get a bowl of cold water or ice water and put those in. Alright, so once they're done drying, it's time to get to painting. And for this step, I'm going to be using my Skin Illustrator palette and some 99% isopropyl alcohol to activate it. I'm going to be going in with the black color right here with just a little bit of alcohol so it keeps its opaque color. Alcohol activated colors are pretty good to use for this kind of thing because obviously they won't transfer and they won't rub off, so they can last for a really long time. Paint the bottom a little bit as well, just so that no white will be peeking out underneath. Once you're happy with this color, you can set it aside to dry and start on the other one. Once you're done painting, don't forget to clean your brushes really well with the alcohol. And then once these guys are dry, you're pretty much done. Now you can use these for, you know, cosplay, special effects makeup, Halloween costumes, whatever you want. They're gonna last you a long time. Pretty durable plastic. They're reusable, of course. Stay tuned for a video probably using these horns for a look. And if you like this video, leave a like down below, comment anything you'd like to see next, anything you liked about this video, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.